Hey guys, Kip and Christina Steinberg here, Superstar Directors for Scentsy Fragrance, for the team, the first Sense of Smell Air. Kip is going to go get a knife because we both sat down. And the box is super mega sealed with the old tape, not the new tape. So, we need to get it. That's not a knife. We'll see if this works. Hi Melissa, hi Tammy. Hi Melanie. All right. This is our scent warmer of the month for April. I could smell it in the box, like sitting over there. And we just pulled it onto the couch. And I could smell it. I've had this for a couple days. We just needed to find a good time for us both to do this. So, let's get the warmer out. The little bitty one. Don't open it yet, cheater. Okay, stop it. Stop it. Put it down.
I can smell it already.
I know.
It's really strong.
It's really strong. Like, we already know what it smells like. We haven't even tried to smell it yet. Hi, JJ. Okay, so monthly specials. This scent is called Johnny Appleseed. And the scent notes description says, just picked Macintosh pops with apple peels and a hint of crisp pear. I feel like what I smell is the pear. Like, in the, the box.
Yeah, that's for the apple.
Alright, ready? I bet it's going to smell like apples.
Yeah, it smells like apples. Really.
It smells like apples.
Oh, it smells so good, though.
It is good. It's very, very pure apple smell. I don't think we've really had, like, a pure apple smell before. Like, I know people say apple press. Apple press did not smell like a pure apple smell to me. It was a little too baked. This one is absolutely apple.
So big.
So it's a very just good regular apple smell. Mm-hmm. So we have A is for apple right now in the spring catalog, and it's kind of like a green soury apple smell. It smells really good. This one is a little different. The A is for apple has more of a clean, mildly floral undertone. This one is exactly apple. Yes. She says it reminds me of red candy apple without the candy sweetness. Correct. I still didn't think red candy apple was right. I never thought that apple press was quite right. I didn't even think red delicious was that right. Like, a lot of the apples we've had come and go have never been quite the apple you are looking for. This is the apple you are looking for. So if you've been dying for a Scentsy apple fragrance, this is it. Mm-hmm. It smells just apples.
Very appley.
Very appley. So this is...
It's really strong if you...
This is exactly what, if you wanted an apple...
Open the back.
Oh, yeah. If you wanted... Oh, yeah.
It's really...
It's good. It's
really
strong.
But it's very...
It's very strong. Someone said that they could smell this warming outside their house.
Yeah.
Like, it's that strong. And I don't know if some of you guys haven't tried Scentsy recently, or if you have some older bars. I really encourage you guys to try some newer stuff. I don't know what it is about the complexities of the fragrances that they're using. Sorry. I wonder if we can reach a cord. I don't think we can. We'll just go fast. I don't know if it's something about the complexities of the fragrances they're using, but they're really complex and they last. Like, the old scents lasted, but I felt like they lasted in phases. Like, it was like they had an initial fragrance and then they kind of changed to another one, and then they kind of had like an under fragrance. But I don't know what's going on. The new spring fragrances, like, I've been begging for them to stop smelling so good so I can change my wax. So whatever they did this spring, they've knocked it out. Super delicious, super strong, long lasting. Another thing I encourage you guys to do is, in any of the newer warmers, Scentsy has been sticking the number of cubes that you should use for that warmer on the bottom of the dish. And it seems like a lot for some of them, but I promise, if you use exactly what they have recommended, it will last the longest and it will be the strongest experience that you've ever had, in a good way. So it really brings out the best of all the scents. So, but I've been doing that, and then I think our new fragrances have just been A+++. If you haven't had a chance to smell the spring stuff yet, you need to get with me, and we need to smell some spring stuff because it is good stuff this year. So This is really good. Johnny Appleseed. If you're a Scentsy consultant, you would know that your scent of the month kit comes with 9 bars, a big tester, a mini tester, a room spray. It also comes with 72 Rub and Sniff stickers, and it comes with all of your flyers for the month. If you upgrade to the Warmer of the Month kit, it comes with all that plus the warmer. And the Scent of the Month kit is only $35, which makes the bars like $2. It's ridiculous after all is said and done. So it's the best way to get a bunch of yummy smells. And yeah, so okay, let's look at the warmer. The warmer is called Appreciation. And it is really cute. Let's see what it looks like in person. It's very small and very pretty. It's just a little apple. I think it would make awesome teacher gifts, awesome lumberjack gifts.
Lumberjack gift.
Awesome just gifts. Awesome appley gifts for your appley friends.
Beard oil would be a little bit better. Lumberjack gift.
Kip says beard oil. I say Appreciation apple warmer. Vote below. What would you give a lumberjack? An apple warmer or beard oil?
You gotta pick those 2 things. Pick anything else.
Paul Bunyan. I know that Johnny Appleseed and Paul Bunyan weren't the same thing, but I'm pretty sure we learned about them the same year of grade school. So, and we all thought they were legit real.
It's funny because Johnny Appleseed planted trees, Paul Bunyan cut them down. So they weren't really the same thing.
No, that's true. Okay, Kip has the warmer coming out. This is the apple. Oh, the apple is separate. Charlotte says beard oil. Unfriending Charlotte. Must agree with me.
Somebody has taste, that's all.
Somebody has taste? No. Okay, so this is the apple stem. And I like that it's got a little wing nut. So this is the apple. Mr. Kip has the apple. Yes.
It's very appley.
When you're actually warming it, though, you won't see all those dots. That's just the scent dots.
The scent stuff.
The scent dots. Okay, let me put this thing in on camera. Live. Super thrilling. Allow me to
insert
stem.
The stem.
This is thrilling. Amazing television.
She's now tightening the nut.
Spinny, spinny. Okay. So, you have Appreciation. Very cute little apple warmer. It's very small. So if anybody remembers our apple warmer, we had an apple warmer before. I can't remember what it was called. This is very small. It's more of an iconic looking apple instead of the realistic one we had before. I think it's adorable. It's very round, rotund.
It's like a rotund.
Rotund.
It's
Does this one have the number of... Nope.
What do they call that on Antiques Roadshow? It reminds me of folk. What do they call it? I can't think of it right now.
Nonsense, Kip.
It's like a stylized apple. It's not like a true apple.
It's stylized, he says. Okay. Well, there it is. April. The scent and warmer will both be 10% off in April, along with scent circles of the fragrance and room sprays of the fragrance. And the warmer itself is a very cheap one. Yes, it's going to be $31.50 next month. So really awesome, cute teacher gifts, especially if you know some teachers personally that you're friends with. Let me know if you need an apple warmer for said friend, because I know a girl who's selling apple warmers next month, and she'll hook you up. Her name's Christina. Okay. Kipstina. Oh.